Hi, my binder is called Teaching and Assessing Students with Exceptional Needs. I have, well, let's see, not counting the contents or the overview, I have 8 chapters, and in each chapter I have a few little sub chapters throughout the binder. Let's see. I loved making this binder. I thought it was so cool and fun, and it gave me an opportunity to keep everything that I had really thought was good and what we used in the class, and I really enjoyed making it. So, let's see. That's my cover. Collaborative and cooperative teaching, and I have cooperative, and then I have a collaborative tab. I use these a lot when I went back and found different things that you can have in your classroom to help with cooperative teaching. And collaborative, you click this tab. For some reason it wouldn't show up, but I clicked that, and this is just an awesome little website to show you different things on collaborative teaching. I don't know if y'all could see that or not. I don't know why I did that, but that's a great website. I recommend it. Teaching in today's classroom. This video, y'all, I loved this video. It was so good. She talked about everything you can imagine that you're going to have to go through in a classroom, and really, it's real up to date. It's real modernized video. She's living in today's world. She's not, she's very awesome. I loved it. And then under that tab, I also have the 6 principle idea. And it's just kind of just a summary of what idea means. And there's lots. Least restricted environment, safeguards. I think there's another page on this, but just awesome website here. Okay, and then policies, practices, and processes. It's another video. I really love this video too. It's on IEP, but on IEP I have more about an overview of it, its purpose and what it's about. Bear with me, I'm still figuring out this. When it was developed, what it is. Just a real good overview of everything you need to know about IEP. And other websites that you can go to, like Wright's Law, which I think I have a tab in here for Wright's Law. Yeah, I do. Discipline, how you need to discipline, what they expect, and it has to do with IEPs as well. How to discipline IEPs, and then it's just your school, it's all about the school, and it's, let's see, there was a good, the change in placement. I loved this little article. It said lots about the placement change and everything that IDEA stands for. Okay, so we'll scroll back up, and then I have Wright's Law. And here's another. I guess you just click this. I don't think y'all can see it. Oh yeah, y'all can see this one. The other one, I don't know what the deal was. This is a good. It just tells you about Wright's Law, and then it has at the bottom if you have any questions and what normal questions people ask. And this helps me a lot in writing about it and talking to y'all about it. Just all about a little chart, tactics and strategies. Just everything. I loved that website. That was a great one. Let's see. Okay. Now, response to intervention. and it's tiers. So this was my first page for response intervention, and then I have a sub-tab for each tier. But this just tells you about RTI and how, it is, and it tells you about the tiers. Let's see. It gives you ideas for each tier, I believe. Yeah, it's a fabulous website. And then I have specifically in each thing, in each sub-tab, talking about each tier. So like this is tier 1. It's just a little article to read. It's real good, and I love that. Here's tier 2, another little article, system of support. It's great. And then tier 3 is a website. Let's see. These are things to consider with tier 3 children. Process to guide. I mean, just everything you can imagine on these websites. I picked really good ones, I feel like. And then I have differentiated instruction. And I don't know why some of them do this. Some of them come up and some of them don't. I really haven't figured that out yet. This is my first time to use LifeBinder, and I really love it. It's just a lot to get to know. And then this is just telling you about differentiated instruction. Just lots. There's so much about it. And then these are normal questions that people ask that you may ask. I know I asked a lot of them when I read through them, and they really cleared up what I had questions about. Then the variety of strategies. This is a great video of them in the classroom, real hands-on. And then classroom differentiation. And it tells you about different things and what it is again and how it is in the classroom. The history on it. 4 ways to keep it in your classroom. Just a real good little website there too. And then here it is continued, and you have your 7 methods. I love this Resource Ed website. It's real great. It had everything about everything. And then it comes back to our collaborative learning and teaching in differentiation. And I really like that it had that in it to show you that it all is a reason for learning. And then it just tells you all about that. And then all learners. And this website, I really loved this article. It really told you a lot about EL and differentiation instruction, a review on it. It has a little tier thing. Let's see. It's just real informative website. Okay, let's see what's next. The barriers of learning environment. The biggest barrier to inclusive education. This was a good website too. I really liked it. Attitudes, physical barriers, curriculum, teachers, funding, expectations, or organization of the education system. And it just tells you all about your barriers that you're going to go through as a teacher. I love that. I really liked that website. And then overcoming these barriers tells you what to do next, how to overcome them. And let me just find the part. Yes, this enabling language, super good read. Loved it. Let's see. Won't let me scroll anymore. Oh, here. Bear with me, like I said. This is my first time using it. I love it, though. It's a really good website, though. Okay, and then we'll go to Universal Design for Learning. And I have one of my games that I had given to y'all to play. I have it here, so y'all can go back and look at it. And even this website's fabulous game website. I really enjoyed making the games. And there's so many to make. I just chose 2 right off the bat, but there's so many that you can do. So I put that in there. And then the UDL guideline breakdown. And this is an awesome little video of UDL. I really enjoyed that. And then the 5 examples of universal design for learning in the classroom. And it's a little, you can just flip through them right there. Real easy. I like simple and easy and straight cut to the point, and that's what that website gave me. I really like that. And that is my life binder. I hope y'all all enjoy it and it can help y'all in some way. I enjoyed making it and I enjoyed this class, and I'm so glad that I got the opportunity to learn with y'all and to learn more about teaching kids with exceptional needs. And I really felt like I really accomplished this class, and I got everything I could from it. I hope y'all did the same. Happy holidays!